This is Sahaj. Every morning, he makes the same quiet choices: wake up, move, eat well, begin. Nothing dramatic, nothing loud, just a person deciding, one small choice at a time, exactly who he wants to be. We can see him here studying and getting ready for his day. This is Jahaz. Every morning, he makes the same quiet choices too: snooze, scroll, skip the food, crack a beer before noon. Nothing dramatic, nothing loud. Just a person deciding one small choice at a time exactly who he's going to be. Okay, Sahaj. So this is Motiphysio. It's going to be doing a full head to toe analysis of you. So just make sure you look at the screen, follow the instructions, and we'll make sure we get everything we need to know. All right. So far, everything seems to be coming back clean. Your cells are repairing themselves faster than we'd expect for someone your age. They're turning over, renewing, staying young. That's exactly what we want to see right now. Your energy systems are running efficiently. The scan shows your body using the fuel the way it's supposed to be. Nothing backed up, nothing struggling. It's all moving the way it should. Circulation looks excellent, strong, steady flow everywhere we look. Your recovery readings tell me you're sleeping deeply and your body's actually using that rest to rebuild. And down at the smallest level, the caps that protect your DNA as you age, well, yours are holding strong. They're not fraying the way they do in most people. To be honest, Sahaj, this is probably one of the healthiest scans I've seen in a while. Everything here is working with you, not against you. So keep doing exactly what you've been doing. So now that we've been able to analyze your results a bit more, everything is looking remarkable. Your body's reading younger than your actual age. And here's what's happening inside you that you can't see. So your DNA is wrapped around tiny spool-like proteins called histones. Think of the histones as bobbins and your DNA as the thread wound around them. When the thread is wound loosely, the cells can reach in and read the genes. When they're wound tightly, those genes are buried, locked away, and silenced. Every run, every good night's sleep, every real meal, your cells responded. They attach little chemical tags called acetyl groups onto your histones. This is what we call acetylation, and it does one thing: it neutralizes the charge holding the DNA tight, so the wrapping relaxes and opens up. The spools loosen, the thread unwinds, and the genes underneath become readable. So, the genes that clear toxins from your brain, that repair muscles and grow your bones, that keep your neurons growing, are all wide open, being read, being expressed. So, even though your DNA has never changed, we were born with the same genes, but which ones were being expressed and switched on, and especially how loudly. That's been shaped by 40 years of good choices and keeping you healthy and amazing. So, even though it's the same code, the right pages are being read. So make sure you keep on doing what you've been doing, Sahaj. Okay, Jahas, we're going to be giving you the same scan that your brother just did, and let's get right onto it. So make sure to look at the screen, follow the instructions. Alright, I'm going to be straight with you. A lot of this is coming back worn down. Your cells aren't repairing themselves the way they should be. They're aging faster than your actual years. Your energy systems are struggling. The scan shows fuel backing up instead of getting used. Everything is running on overtime. Your circulation is weak, the flow is sluggish, even restricted in certain places where it shouldn't be. And your recovery readings are really low. They're not getting the REM sleep your body needs so that it can rebuild the damages from each day. And down at the smallest levels, the caps that protect your DNA as you age, yours are fraying. They're wearing down faster than they should be, and once they go, they won't be coming back. Honestly, Jahas, this is one of the more poor scans I've done for someone your age. Alright, Jahas, now that we've been able to go into a deeper dive of your scans have been showing that your memory center is shrinking. So these are early signs of Alzheimer's, and the rest of your body is struggling too. Let me show you what's been happening inside you. Your DNA is wrapped around the same spool-like proteins and histones. Wound loosely, the genes can be read, whereas when it's wound tightly, they're buried and silenced. Every late night, every drink, Every years of stress with no recovery, your cells were paying attention. They attached chemical tags called methyl groups directly onto your DNA. This is methylation, and it does the opposite of acetylation. Instead of loosening the spools, it acts like a lock. It draws the thread in tighter and signals the cells to keep that stretch of DNA shut. The genes underneath get wound away where nothing can read them. So the genes that protect your brain, clear the plaques, fight inflammation, repair damage, are all silenced. One metal tag at a time for 40 years. Meanwhile, the genes for stress and fat storage stayed loose and open, turned up to the max. Even though your DNA is identical to your brother's, the same instructional manual was given to you as well, but you both started with the same exact potential. However, the same genes for a sharp mind, a strong body, a long life. None of that was taken from you. It's all still there, written inside every cell, but your cells have been reading a completely different version of them. Not because the words changed, because your choices did. Sahaj's habits kept his good genes open and being read. Yours, slowly and quietly, wound them shut. The book was the same, but you two just turned to different pages every single day for decades. And that's the hard part to hear, Jahas. None of this was destiny. It wasn't bad luck either, but it was the thousands of small mornings that felt like nothing at the time. They all add up. They always do. So make sure we try to work to fix this, and let's keep on moving forward. So make the right choices. So remember every choice and be the change. Alright, Jahas. After the analysis we've done, we're going to do some quick checkups and we'll see how you're doing.
Thank you.
What is this, blood pressure? What is this?
I don't even know. I think I'm scared.